All right, so let's dive in. We're looking at a piece of hardware today that, on the surface, looks about as simple as it gets. It's a button panel.
Yeah, specifically the Aurora Multimedia DXB-8i G2. It's an 8-button controller.
And it looks, it looks like a fancy light switch. It fits right into a standard one-gang Decora style outlet. Comes in black or white.
Exactly. But here's the rub. For this very unassuming little panel, you're looking at a price of $498.
Wow, okay.
So I think our mission today is to figure out why. Why is this little button panel worth half a grand, and why is it like a secret cornerstone for all these huge commercial AV systems?
That price tag definitely changes the conversation. And I think the first clue is the visual feedback. You don't just get a little green light. These 8 buttons are all individually backlit.
And programmable. Red, green, or blue.
Which is absolutely essential in complex rooms, right?
Oh, totally. If red means the system is armed and green means it's safe to use, that color coding gives you instant status, even in a dimly lit theater or a big conference room. You need that clarity.
And here's where the physical design really tells you who this is for. The depth is it's incredibly low, 0.98 inches.
Paper thin. A standard controller needs a ton of space behind the wall.
But this one
lets you install it in places that are normally off limits. Think shallow European back boxes, or even more importantly, those custom floor and table boxes in corporate boardrooms.
Oh, if you've ever tried to integrate controls into a custom lectern or something.
That 0.98-inch depth is gold. It's a problem solver.
Okay, so the physical side is built for high-end, tricky installations. But what is it actually doing? What is it controlling?
Well, this is the aha moment. Its core job is to be a universal translator. It's designed to talk to just about any Ethernet, RS-232, or IR device out there.
It's the ultimate control hub for what can be a really chaotic mix of gear.
And they pack so much into that tiny space. You get your modern LAN port with PoE power over Ethernet, which is great, just one cable for power and data.
But you also get the legacy stuff.
Yes, crucially, you get one RS-232 port and one IR port.
And for anyone listening who might not be deep in AV, RS-232 is that super reliable old-school connection for projectors and displays.
Yeah.
And IR is basically your TV remote signal.
Precisely. And they make that RS-232 port genuinely useful. It has a selectable baud rate that goes way up to 115K, and it even outputs 5 volts of DC power.
Which means?
It means you can often power a small device directly from the control panel itself. No extra power brick, no extra outlet needed. It just cleans up the wiring mess that installers absolutely hate.
But the real complexity, I think, is in the programming. You'd assume one button press equals one action, but not here.
Not at all. Any command, and we're talking modern network strings like TCP and Telnet or the old RS-232 and IR signals, can be assigned to 4 distinct actions.
4 actions per button.
Per button. You have press, release, toggle, and hold.
I love that. The hold function is brilliant because it lets you build in, hidden emergency function.
Yeah, absolutely. A quick press might turn on the projector, but what does a 3-second hold do? Maybe it reboots a stubborn server, or it initiates a full system shutdown.
It hides that high-level capability behind a really simple gesture.
And you can do complex macros. You can interlock buttons, so when one system turns on, another turns off automatically. The flexibility is just immense.
So, okay, we've justified the cost with that flexibility, but there's a bigger picture for commercial buyers, isn't there? It's about logistics and compliance, too.
It is. First off, it's super power efficient, max of 1 watt, which is nothing. But you're right, the compliance is key for government or big corporate contracts.
This is TAA compliant.
Meaning it meets the U.S. Trade Agreements Act. That's a mandatory checkbox for any kind of public sector purchasing.
And it's also listed as tariff-free and made in the USA.
That is massive for integrators. Tariff-free means stable, predictable pricing for those big volume bids, and a reliable domestic supply chain. You can even get custom button caps made. It's built for serious customized environments.
So if we zoom back out, this tiny Decora-sized unit, the DXB-8i G2, is so much more than a switch. It's this essential, super flexible, universal translator for really complex AV worlds.
It is. Which leaves you with a final thought to ponder. When you consider the insane level of detail you can program into those 4 separate commands, press, release, toggle, and hold, just think about how much sophisticated multi-step automation can be completely hidden behind the simple, innocent press of one single glowing button.